turn off Microsoft Edge notifications, open the Microsoft Edge on your PC. Then after that you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, or you can also click on Alt plus F. Then from this drop down menu box, go to Settings. On the settings of the side panel, you can see Cookies and Site Permissions. Click on it. Then from this section, you have to scroll down and go to Notifications. Here, if you see this slider is turned on, you need to toggle off this button which says Apps Before Sending. So all the notifications of this site has already been turned off. So that's how we easily turn off Microsoft Edge notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.